Hi all, Matt again from Second Amendment Gunsmithing. So I just been real busy in the shop. I haven't really been working doing many videos or anything like that because I've been trying to teach myself how to write code because I was sold a CNC machine by a good friend of mine at a really reasonable deal. So I figured I'd do a quick video here, show you what I'm doing here, and do a dry run on my mini CNC here that I'm really excited about, and I've been trying to teach myself how to write code on. So figured I'd just do a really quick dry run here and show everybody what I got going here. And open this up, get some firmware going. There she is. It's uploading right now. Here we go. Choose a file. Get my 1911 code up. Now, if you take a look here, so let's see what she does here. Should be starting up here in a second. Here she goes. She's all ready now. Now, if you take a look here, great part about this is it goes step-by-step instructions. And here we go. Bink. Starting up, trying to find it. Now it shows me more instructions to do to make sure stuff's done right. Everything's connected so it can find the frame. Right through it, one step at a time. Now she's gonna move. Try to do a test run every once in a while so it's doesn't freeze up at all. Right now it's looking for the piece and it's not finding it. So what's gonna happen here, it's gonna start up, it's gonna warm up, and after it warms up, what's going to happen is it's going to search for it, and when it goes find it, it's going to error out. But if you take a look, it's just warming up the spindle right now. So, but I figured I'd just do a quick video and show everybody what I got going here. Lots of stuff to do, and lots of great things happening. So, all right, everybody, have a great day.